Are you ready?
Calling all investors. Are you looking for an investment property? Hi, everybody. I'm Danny Abale, and welcome to my newest listing at 154 Day Avenue. This semi-detached home has been converted into 3 separate self-contained units. Come with me. Let's take a little tour.
The main floor is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit, and the second floor and basement are a 1-bed, 1-bath layout with a shared laundry room.
Access to local shops, restaurants, transit. Being fully tenanted makes this a perfect investment opportunity. Don't miss out in owning a piece of Toronto's heritage.